So we've been grocery shopping at our favorite grocery store, which is what grocery store did we go this time, Lenny? Stater Brothers. It's a local grocery store. We really like it. And they had this Gardein chicken fajita bowl. So it's 15 grams of. The most important part is that it has 7 grams of sugar, 15 grams of protein, and very little fat. It also has calcium, iron, and potassium. We're going to use the microwave instructions, which are basically remove the bowl from the carton. And it looks quite good if you look at it. It looks like this, like a lot of rice and so forth. Let's see, what do they say on here? This is a rice, meatless chicken, you know, not real chicken. Red and green bell peppers, black beans, caramelized onions, and corn with a zesty fajita sauce. And it says ready in only 5 minutes. Okay, well, we'll try this out. Protein, and let's see, it's got 250 calories in here.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living, a whole food plant-based lifestyle.
We'll stick it in our microwave. Let's double check the instructions here. Oh, we have to slit it. This is how I handle my slitting. Yep, that's slitting. And then you just cook it for 5 minutes. And then it says place a microwave, cook on high for 4 minutes and 15 seconds. Let stand 1 minute. Alright. Cancel it. We'll put it on 4 minutes. Cancel. 4:30. There's no more 4:15 on my microwave oven. And then tray made food will be hot. Obviously it will be hot if it has been cooking in the microwave for 5 minutes. Do not allow the product to thaw. So they want you to cook it frozen. Do not eat without cooking directions developed using an 1100 watt microwave oven. Microwave oven vary, creating cooking times may require adjustment. Cook until internal temperature. If you have a thermometer and your internal temperature is 165 degrees, I have one, but it's only a TV dinner. So if you think it's ready, pull it out of the oven. I mean, you know. Can't really go wrong. It's non-GMO, it's vegan, the paper box here is recyclable, and the plastic book is also recyclable. It's just a quick meal when you've been running around doing errands. You're hungry, you don't want to sit down and have a salad, you want to just put something in your mouth. This is the way to do it. It looks like this. On the bag it says, okay, I've said it already, enjoy our convenient single-serve bowl that bring you a delicious, complete meal. Gardein bowls are a tasty, meat-free combination of crisp vegetable, grains, or pasta in a flavorful sauce. Can't wait to try it. Alright, that's basically it. I just bought this today, and this was good till November 3rd of 2020. It even has a timestamp on it. Box doesn't have any fancy stuff inside, it's brown. Okay, enough silliness. Alright, so in a few minutes I'll show you what it looks like. So we have 1 minute 58 seconds. I was looking at this box and it says always vegan. It says it's plant protein and it's dairy free. It's 8.5 ounces or 241 grams. Now remember, we're in an area where a lot of companies place their products in our grocery stores, and that's why these new products are coming out. So I'm showing to you a new product I've never seen before on our shelves. So I really pay attention to this especially if I find something that's vegan and satisfies me. I'm really hoping this tastes good. Okay, so this may not be in your supermarket, but maybe you can get it on Amazon.com or something similar to that. Or you could go to the Gardein site and maybe they can ship it to you if you really want to try this product. All right, so let's see where we're at. We're at 59 seconds, so we'll see you in a minute. So you missed the ringer, but it's ready. So I'm going to pull it out and I'm going to lay the camera down so that you have an idea what it looks like, and then I'm going to come back here and take a bite and eat it. Alright, so it looks a lot like this. I'm going to peel the film. Now they say let it stand for a minute. I'm going to mix it in that minute. Okay, so I'm just going to mix everything together. I can see it's got beans in here, and it's got rice. And it looks like it might have some tofu in it. But I won't know until I look at the ingredients. So this is not like a full meal, but it will give me the extra protein, because I've been a little protein deficient the last week. I've been just dragging. So, there. Now we're going to see how it tastes. Okay, so I'm going to take a bite right now. It's really hot. I wonder why. It just came out of the microwave oven. But it's not spicy. It has a nice texture. You can see that there's corn and there's black beans and green beans, peppers. I mean, just what I'm seeing off the top. But by now, you've already seen the ingredient panel. If you want to try this out, it costs about $5. And we bought it. It's I told you, a brand new product. So maybe it'll be on your shelves, and you can try it too. Well, thanks a lot for watching this very quick review, this product review. And I hope you try it out, and you write your comments on the bottom, and you let me know what you think about it. We'll see you soon. Have a good day now.
Subscribe to us and give us a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you for watching.